So I wanted to add one note about this extraordinary experience of foraging and coming across these awesome and edible fruiting bodies of this wondrous landscape that I'm part of. And that is in the name of gratitude. Now, I think it's important to share that this gratitude is going to look different for everyone. And I don't know there being a right way or a wrong way, except for what feels right and wrong for me. But I do see it being an appreciation of this time and honoring the land, whether that's just in a silent moment, sometimes known as a sit spot with nature, and just breathing in these healing wilds, or perhaps like I'm sharing this video, sharing your stoke and your appreciation for what this wild and wondrous world has to offer everyone all around the world, every shape and size, even the gnomes.